Having a crush can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. You might feel butterflies in your stomach every time you see them, and your mind might race with thoughts of how to get them to notice you. The key to making someone like you back isn't about pretending to be someone you're not, but about becoming the best version of yourself. It's about confidence, connection, and genuine attraction. Let's break it down step by step. The foundation of attraction. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities a person can have. When you are confident, you radiate positive energy, and people naturally want to be around you. Confidence doesn't mean being arrogant. It simply means believing in yourself. Stand tall, maintain good posture, and make eye contact when speaking. Smile often, because a genuine smile makes you more approachable and likable. If you struggle with confidence, practice self-affirmations, work on self-improvement, and engage in activities that make you feel good about yourself. Develop a genuine connection. Rather than trying to impress your crush with grand gestures, focus on getting to know them. Pay attention to what they like, what they talk about, and what makes them happy. Ask thoughtful questions and show genuine interest in their passions. Building a strong emotional connection is more effective than just looking good. When your crush feels that you genuinely care, they will start seeing you in a different light. Engage in meaningful conversations. Small talk is fine, but meaningful conversations create deeper connections. Talk about topics that matter: goals, dreams, interests, and even funny or interesting experiences. Be a good listener and give them your full attention when they speak. Avoid distractions like checking your phone when you're talking to them. People appreciate those who make them feel heard and valued. The power of subtle flirting. Flirting doesn't have to be over the top. Simple, natural interactions can make a big difference. Light teasing, playful jokes, and subtle compliments can help build chemistry. Body language also plays a crucial role. Lean in slightly when they talk, mirror their movements, and maintain comfortable eye contact. These small actions create a sense of connection without making things feel forced. Make your crush feel special. People are drawn to those who make them feel valued. Pay attention to small details. Remember their favorite coffee order, the name of their pet, or the little things they mention in passing. When you show that you remember these details, it signals that you genuinely care. Have your own life. While it's great to spend time with your crush, it's important to have a life outside of them. Pursue hobbies, work on personal goals, and spend time with friends and family. Having your own interests makes you more attractive because it shows that you are independent and have a fulfilling life. It also creates a natural curiosity about you, making your crush want to know more. Use social media wisely. Social media can be a great way to grab your crush's attention. Post interesting content, share moments from your life, and engage with their posts in a natural way. Don't overdo it. Liking every post or commenting excessively can come off as desperate. Instead, use social media as a tool to subtly stay on their radar. Be patient and let things develop naturally. Rushing things or forcing a relationship never works. Allow your bond to develop naturally over time. If your crush doesn't respond to your efforts, don't take it personally. Not everyone will feel the same way, and that's okay. If things don't work out, move on gracefully and remember that someone who truly appreciates you will come along. Know when to walk away. One of the most important things to remember is that not all crushes turn into relationships, and that's okay. If your crush doesn't reciprocate your feelings, respect their space. Walking away with confidence is better than chasing someone who isn't interested. The right person will value you for who you are.